welcome everybody. We're opening up this big GX box. I do not want to rip this box. Can you help me?
Yeah. Let's see.
Hi.
Lincoln saying hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ooh. Poor Snorlax. Oh, can't seem to hold on to it.
See if you want to fall. That's why you want to
English
fall out.
Snorlax box.
English.
Alright, there you go. It's all
There
open.
you go. I know what. Sorry guys, but I've been waiting for this all year.
Let's see what we got there.
Don't see to at you.
So we've got a couple Snorlax promo cards. Let's see. I have one just like that. Let's see. And then there's a Snorlax EX. Looks like he has some pretty solid attacks on there if you're into all that. And then there's 1, 2, 3,
You'll probably be surprised.
4
that
cards. Card packs.
These cards came with old packs.
Come with the old style Pokemon cards. And then you take out the big card. Oh man, it's a big old Snorlax EX.
Let me put it on. Oh, here we go. Sorry. This is not my giveaway box. Sorry. I hate it. This is a lot of cards. Let's see. So the first one is Dinosaur. Actually, yeah, we'll do this one. I see. Oh, don't look. I know they're going to be best cards.
Alright. Let's see here. I'll show them the promo card. Yeah.
Daddy, Dad.
Alright. So we got let's see, we got position the camera. Seal, Magnemite, Ghastly. I just got a sneak peek on an EX card that you have. Ghastly, Poliwag, Voltorb, Metapod, Potion, Venusaur, Spirit Link. That's interesting. What in the world is that?
What the heck?
Hey, it's a Nidoking.
What?
Let me see that. Whoa. Nidoking Break. I'm not even sure what that is, but I'm pretty sure it's something good. So let's put that one to the side and make sure we get that one secured.
And the next one is
Oh, there we go.
Charizard.
What do you have?
Yeah,
Oh, Buzz Lightyear?
Yeah.
That's cool. Alright, let's see what the next pack holds.
Oh, no, don't look. Don't look.
Oh, let's see here. Oh, we gotta show the code. Nope, turn it around, turn around. No, the other side, this side. There we go. Right there. There you go. Alright.
No more, Daddy.
Alright, we got, let's see, Diglett, another Voltorb, Machop, Growlithe, Water Energy, another Venusaur Spirit, Charmeleon, Super Potion. Oh, don't bring the cards to me. I'll bring the camera to you. Alright, there you go.
Mew.
Hey, Mew, that's cool. That's in far. Let me see that Mew.
We're not putting this in the giveaway. I'll never trade that in for the whole entire world.
Let's see. Let's take a look at it off camera. That's a good one, Mew. I haven't seen that one before. Hold up, put that one to the side.
Yeah.
Yep, they see Buzz Lightyear. Let's see here. So we got 2 more. Which one you gonna open up next?
Is he there? No, I wanted this one first. I hate it.
Oh, watch out, Lynx.
Hi, Mo. In my ear.
Your ear?
Yeah. Uh-huh. The chicken. The chicken. The chicken.
Okay, you're good.
What the heck is that?
How do you know how many to do?
3.
3? Sometimes I've seen people do 3 and sometimes I've seen them do 4. Alright, what we got? That's an interesting looking one. Yeah, you'll have to forgive me. I'm not familiar with these newer Pokemon. Oh, zoom out. Alright. Not even gonna try to say it. Finkenstein? Oh, there's a seal. I know that Pokemon. Alright, let's see. Burmy.
And
Ultra Ball.
Ultra.
That's interesting.
Oh, that.
Shauna? Ooh, there's a Larvitar. That's what.
One more.
Was that it?
One more.
That was it. That was the last one. Oh, there was one more. See, you didn't show me that one.
Oh, wait! Hold on!
Let me see that. Where'd it go? Let me see this one.
Yeah,
that's the Barbaracle. Wasn't there one that was a smaller version of this guy?
It's a pigeon.
Yeah. Where's he at? Yep.
Where's he there? Hey. No.
Well, what do you got there? Snorlax?
Yeah.
Alright.
Big.
I've got one more package to open.
Huh?
Let's see the little card. That's good.
More. The more. Hey, Ricken. He's tiny there.
Alright.
I have Ricken.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah, I already have that one. But different.
Ooh.
Wait. I already have that. I already have that. Touchy. More. I already have that. I don't have that. That one new.
That's an interesting one. Hey, you got the both versions of that one. Oh, there's a Magnemite. I know who that is. And
Hoja.
Yeah. Well, what do you got there?
There's one.
All right, so I think this Nidoking here might have won the day. We need to see exactly what this guy's all about. Toxic Drill. That's
This is going in the book.
Yeah, it's definitely going in the book. All right. Hey, I think we're gonna go ahead and end this video now. Anything you want to say?
No.
Oh no.
We have a Pokemon battle.
A Pokemon battle. I think we'll save that for the next video.
Oh no, we're actually having it. Hey.
Snorlax. Yeah, Pikachu and Raichu.
Pikachu. You know what, guys? I always trick my daddy to get the weekend. Paul. Do you see?
Yeah. The Pokeball?
Yeah. There's a fire. Oh, I'll get that Pokeball. You're going to get. You guys feel. I can say it. You. I see that. Morning. There we go. Now about have the gun.
I don't think we have enough cards to have an official battle. Considering we have like 2 energies. So.
You gonna put the field. When you gonna put the field cat car? Or move it. Let's move.
Alright, folks, I think that's all. Until next time.
No!
Say bye, Josiah.
No.
Say bye, Lincoln.
No.